here with data science teacher Brandon, and we're going to learn how to plot on both the left and the right axis in Pandas. Okay, so here this is called dual y-axis. So we're going to split essentially our y-axis. To do this plot, I changed the style pattern. I don't like the standard Pandas one. Pandas is really great. The style of its palettes or of its plotting is not the best for in my opinion. So I use plt.style.use. I'm going to change it to Seaborn style palettes, which are pretty nice. It's not as good as the real set Seaborn, but it's good in effects in a pinch. Kind of the poor man's Seaborn, I guess you would say. But what we're going to do here is we're going to do AX equals our first plot right here. So I'm just notice I'm selecting one column from this. I'm going to do the first 200 rows right here. That's all I'm going to do, just so long we can kind of see the lines here. And plot, we're going to do is legend at the top and big size right here. We're going to do the same size. Notice that I'm matching this up between when I do the second call of the plot, I have the same big size. Okay. In the first one, I'm assigning it to AX, so I'm assigning it to an object, a variable that I'll be able to call again. In the second one, the big difference here is that those two differences. One part I'm going to go AX equals AX. Okay, so I'm saying that in the axis, where do I want to put my pandas plot? In this axis plot right here. So this is how you, with pandas and with Seaborn as well, you say where you'd like to put the plot. And you're saying here in this place. Okay. So this is basically saying put it on top of the plot that's already plotted. And what we're going to do here, we're going to also go secondary equals true. So this says when I'm putting in this plot in the same place, I'm not going to use this other left-hand axis, the normal, I guess, left-hand axis. I'm going to use the secondary right axis right here. So you can see fair, when I plot it on the fair column, I'm going to do secondary plot. You can see fair right. So it's secondary plot equals true. AX equals AX. So it's on the same place as the other one, but I'm going to go secondary equals true. So you can see it plots the fair on the right-hand side. As you can see, really just super flexible in what you can do. There's so many ways that you can explore your data. It works really well here for kind of a time series type of data or something that happens over, this is happening over many taxi rides, where we can see the events as they kind of move together and flow together. Okay, and there's just really unlimited possibilities that you could do with this. So next, what I want to talk about is to set the Y labels. So after I've assigned or plotted my second plot, I want to still say, what those plots are. So here I'm going to go AX equals, or AX dot set underscore Y label distance, which is my left axis. So this will be what you plot by default. Here, if I want to change the right axis, I'm going to go AX dot right underscore axis, the big thing here, and then I'm going to set underscore Y label my right axis here. So just make sure those line up as well. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you next time.